Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to retrieve your account on Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the game and ensure it is updated, as using an outdated version may cause issues. Once inside, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then navigate to the Account tab, where you will find various options related to your account settings. From there, select Account Center on the right side and tap on Retrieve Account, which will open a browser window for further verification. Next, tap on the In-Game Information Verification feature and start by entering your server ID and in-game name. If you do not remember your in-game name, simply tap on the Forgot In-Game Name feature. This will guide you on how to retrieve your in-game name by checking your friend's account. Once you have the correct details, proceed with the verification process and follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. After finishing these steps, your account should be successfully retrieved. So that's basically how you can retrieve your account on Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.